Dear participants, greetings of the day. I am Dr. Rajesh Singh from Department of Mathematics, Ramanujan College. On behalf of the organizing team of Refresher Course in Mathematics, I welcome you all. This video is to illustrate how you can enroll for Refresher course on the portal math.rcmoocs.in. So let us go to the browser. So in the browser you will have to write math.rcmoocs.in. So once you will type this and you click enter, it will take you to this page. So this is the home page for our portal. So you can see here, this is the course card for our refresher course. From here also you can register, or what you can do is you can click on this course card. So once you click on this course card, it will take you to this page. So on this page there is an option to enroll in FDP. So you have to click on this. So once you click on enroll, it will take you to this page from where you can register on this portal. So to register on this portal, you will have to enter the email ID that you have used while registering for the course. It is very important to use the same email ID because your certification will be valid only if you use the same email ID which you have used for the registration. So use only that email ID that you have used for the registration. Now, so let me enter my email ID. So you will have to enter your email ID. So make sure there is no mistake while you enter the email ID. After that, enter your name, full name. Then you will have to use some username. So you can use any username you can like. So let me use the initials of my email as a user ID. So this is available. If it is not available, then it will show you the warning sign. So because this username is available, so I can use this. After that, you will have to put your password, and it should contain at least 2 characters. So let me put my password. So choose your password in such a way that you do not forget it, because it will be very difficult for us to retrieve your password or to rectify it. So make sure you write your password somewhere in your notebook or anywhere wherever you like, but make sure you remember this password or you have noted down this password. Okay, then after that you will have to choose your country of residence. So in that, choose India, and that there is an optional question which you can fill. So if you will click on this, then it will give you these optional questions. These are all optional. If you don't want to enter these details, then you simply uncheck this and click on create account. So once you will click on create account, it will take you to this page. Okay, so this is the course card. It will show details when we will run this course, but right now, because course is not running, it will start from tomorrow. As you can see, it is stating that starts March 16. So it will start from tomorrow. So that's why there are no details right now, but when it will start, so you will see view course here. You will see some links here. Now another thing that you will note on this page is that it is asking you to activate your account. You can see it is giving a message that check your email inbox for an account activation link. So you should go to your email ID which you have entered while registering on this platform. So let me go to the Gmail. So as you can see, there is a mail from RCMoocs 4. So this mail, you can see it is subject is action required, activate your RCMoocs account. So click on this mail, it will show this message Thanks for signing up for RC MOOCs. And to continue with registration process, you must enter the following link. So you have to click on this link. When you will click on this link, it will activate your account. Okay, so let me click on this link. So I have clicked on the link, and you can see I have got the success message that my account has been activated. And now when I will go to the dashboard and I will refresh this page, you will see that this message will go away. So this message is gone. So this is how you have to enroll for this course. And once we will start the course, you will see a link where it will be written view course at this point. Okay, so this is all there. You have to remember to enroll this course. Thank you and have an enlightening 15 days ahead.